Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a to-do list on Google Sheet. So if you have a tight schedule and you want to make a to-do list to prevent having to miss a task or an errand, I'm going to show you how to make a to-do list on Google Sheet. So here I've already opened my Google Sheet on my PC, and then what you need to do is find the to-do list template to make it easy for you. I'm going to make the to-do list by using the template. So go to the template gallery and then find the to-do list template. So when you find it, just click on the template, and then the template will automatically open in your Google Sheet like this. Okay, so you just need to type anything here to fit into the your task, your own to-do list. So type anything into column A to complete an item, like that. To do. Can also change the heading my to-do list like so. Okay, go to the store. You can also change the date. I'm going to change it into today's date, like so. And just like that, go to the store. When you're done with the text, just click on the checkbox icon here, and then as you can see, 1 out of 3 completed. Okay, so I think that's all. You can also change the other tasks here. Go to the store, buy groceries. Oops. When you're done, just check again, and then 2 out of 2 completed. And you can also add until it fits into your own to-do list. Okay, that is how you can create your own to-do list on Google Sheet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.